Good sleep at night begins with what you choose to eat when you start your day. Hi, I'm Dr. Marie-Pierre St-Onge, Associate Professor of Nutritional Medicine at Columbia University Irving Medical Center.
I'm Keily Busby, Chef de Cuisine of the Faculty Club and Columbia University Medical Center.
Now we're making a delicious and nutritious Banana-Berry Smoothie bowl for breakfast.
Super easy, quick to make, so we're gonna do like a nice breakfast in a couple of minutes.
Perfect. That's what we need when we're busy in the morning,
Yeah.
trying to head out the door, right?
Definitely. First, we're gonna add the oat milk, the chia seeds, and oat. Half a cup.
So half a cup, and then the chia seeds,
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. So chia seeds provide a good source of omega-3 fatty acids.
And we're gonna add the oat milk, and we're gonna let it soak for about 5 minutes. So the reason we're soaking the chia with the oat milk for 5 minutes is because we're trying to get the gel out of the chia.
So our recipes are heart-healthy friendly. This recipe is rich with berries, pineapples, bananas that provide good sources of potassium, polyphenols, antioxidant nutrients that are really going to be good for your heart, but also good for your sleep.
Also, it's gonna help with the texture of the oats. Like soaking the oats is gonna be like also like moist and gonna have like a nice texture to the smoothie.
So the oats bring out more whole grains and also increase the fiber content of this dish.
So now that the gel is formed, what is next with the recipe?
Next, we're going to add the frozen berries, frozen pineapple, almond butter, yogurt as well, banana, and maple syrup.
Beautiful. Basically everything, all the frozen ingredients.
Yeah, so the recipe has 2 bananas, one that goes in the smoothie and one
For garnish.
for garnishing.
Beautiful. So now we're gonna blend all the ingredients like until we get like a very nice texture and very smooth. So now that it's blended, the texture is very smooth, we're gonna start like pitting. We're gonna serve in a bowl. Then we're gonna top with fresh berries, banana, and granola.
So these ingredients, specifically the pineapple, banana, berries, have been shown to have melatonin. They've also been shown in some research to increase melatonin and antioxidant content of the blood in study participants. For granola options, there are 2 recipes in the book. One that includes pistachios and apricots, golden raisins, and another one that includes tart cherries, ginger, and almond, and coconuts.
So now that I cut the banana, we're gonna put like small pieces of banana. Make it look nice and delicious.
Doesn't it look like a delicious way to start your day?
Definitely.